Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X plus y is equal to 9, sy is equal to 25. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. X plus y is equal to 9. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 25. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 2, sy is equal to 25. Then if you divide both sides by x, this divided by x and this divided by x, y will be equal to 25 over x. Let us call this equation 3. Then let's put this equation 3 into equation 1. That is, from 1, s plus y is equal to 9. When y is 25 over x, we have s plus 25 over s is equal to 9. Now, let us multiply the whole of this equation by x. So this is s multiplied by s plus 25 over x multiplied by s is equal to 9 multiplied by x. So this cancels this. We have s squared plus 25 is equal to 9x. And this is s squared minus 9s plus 25 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 25. S is equal to minus bracket minus 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 25 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 9. This is 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 squared. This is 81 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 25. That is 100 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. This is same thing as 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 100. That is minus 19 over 2. S is equal to 9 plus or minus, this can be written as square root of 19 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. And this is same thing as 9 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I root 19 over 2. Therefore, S1 is equal to 9 plus I root 19 over 2, and S2 is equal to 9 minus I root 19 over 2. We've gotten the value of x1 and then s2. Let us solve for y1 and y2. From equation 1, y plus s is equal to 9, or s plus y is equal to 9. Then here, y1 will be equal to 9 minus x. Then y1 is equal to 9 minus x1 is 9 plus I root 19 over 2. Y1 is equal to, this is over 1, SCM is 2. 1 and 2, 2 times 9, that is 18 minus 9 plus I root 19 over 2. Y1 is equal to 18 minus 9 minus I square root of 19 over 2. Y1 is equal to 18 minus 9. This is 9 minus I square root of 19 over 2. This is the value of y2. y1. Also, y2 is equal to 9 minus s2. y2 is equal to 9 minus s2 is 9 minus I root 19 over 2. y2 is equal to 18 minus 9 plus I square root of 19 over 2. y2 is equal to 9 plus I square root of 19 over 2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 9 plus I square root of 19 over 2, 9 minus I square root of 19 over 2. S2, y2 is equal to 9 minus I square root of 19 over 2, 9 plus I square root of 19 over 2. These are the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.